Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial. This tutorial is about the white blood cells. First of all, white blood cells are structurally different from red blood cells. White blood cells are actually bigger than red blood cells. Notice in the following picture how the red blood cells are smaller than the white blood cells. Moreover, as you guys can see, the white blood cells contain nucleus, so they are nucleated. Unlike the red blood cells, which are anucleated. White blood cells actually play an important role in the immunity. They are like soldiers which fight against any harmful microorganism which tries to enter the body, such as any pathogenic or any disease-causing bacteria. An example of white blood cells is the lymphocytes. Lymphocytes form antibodies against microorganisms. So they defend by secreting antibodies. Antibodies are chemicals which have the ability to recognize the microorganism in order to fight it. So they bind to the microorganism and fight it. Other types of white blood cells form antitoxins against poisons which are formed and released by microorganisms. So some types of microorganisms such as bacteria can release toxins which are actually fought by the white blood cells. So different white blood cells have different mechanisms for fighting. Finally, another type of white blood cells is the phagocytes. Phagocytes engulf the invading microorganisms and digest them internally by a process called phagocytosis